it's still a nightmare. But hey, it looks clean. You must have polished it.
Well, I did once, and well, no, not the outside. I cleaned the inside, but it's been sitting again, so I let it get dirty because I can't get a wake behind it.
Let's climb on board to figure out what in the heck's going on.
They have algae in the gas, too. I wonder what that is.
So what's happening is Scott, new engine block, the poo-poo rebuilt carburetor, which I don't think was rebuilt correctly, a new fuel pump, possible water in the fuel, but what I'm finding out is the carburetor's bone dry. I'm using a syringe and I'm putting fuel into the vent hole to kind of prime the carburetor. In the meantime, we need to unplug that fuel pump. Ready? Okay, watch out, Mackenzie. Ready? The fuel pump works. We're getting plenty of fuel pressure, plenty of fuel flow. The carburetor, there's something up with the carburetor. The carburetor is not letting any fuel into the system at all. I mean, not even into the idle jets or anything. It's not making much sense. I'm not really impressed with the carburetor rebuild that this first mechanic did. Is it possible that there was water in the fuel? Absolutely. Very good high possibility. Yep. There we go. All right. All right. So this needs to come off too. Yeah. Alright, here we go. It's full of water. Yeah. Water! It's full of water. There's a check ball here somewhere, I think. Look at that. So when I was filling it up from right there, that was not the correct area. Okay. Carburetor's been taken off. There was water. So there is water in the fuel on this boat. Lean can cause a hole in the piston. Lean mixture. Will it run? I don't know. We primed it earlier with the fuel hose and everything, and having everything go into the cup to see what the condition of it is, and it seemed fine. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to let the fuel pump prime the engine. We have fuel. Yeah, we got fuel. Let's do it. Ready? That sounds good.
Something was stuck, maybe?
No, that was the water. tired, but it's good to see this boat running. And what it appears, water and the fuel. Who knows? Maybe somebody tried to sabotage the boat. Who knows? Water and the fuel. And I guarantee that's probably what caused that piston to blow. Yay! Thumbs up!